How to make a Roblox GFX. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and type Roblox starter rigs. And what you want to do here is just simply purchase this one, but don't worry, you don't need to pay for this. All you have to do is simply enter your email address, and then after that, you will see there an option that says download. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to download this. So you have to download both of this. Okay, tap download. And once done, you will see a notification above that is now starting to download. Next to that is you just have to go to your Roblox Studio, tap this rig builder here, tap R6, and then click My Avatar. And this is what it looks like. So you can now adjust the position and face your Roblox to you. Next thing to do here is to change the position of your rig. So tap your rig, go to position, and make sure that you follow this 0, 0, 0. Okay. So if this one is not 0, 0, 0, you need to change this one. After that, what you want to do is just simply save or export your rig. Right click and then click export and then save it to your device. Next is tap your rig, and then what you want to do is to save your accessories here. So you can just simply click control and then tap each and then right click because you can drag it all. So you have to click it one by one while pressing the control button. And then once done, what you want to do is to export this. Make sure that you have saved it separately. I mean your rig character and your accessories. So once you're done with your Roblox, now you're going to open your Blender, go to edit, go to preferences, click install, and then here you have to look for the one that you have downloaded earlier, and that is a Roblox starter rig. Tap this one here, click install, and also the other one. So in short, you have to make sure that you have download both. Once then you can minimize this and you can delete this part right here. Okay. Now to start, go to this area, locate this button, and then go to start the rig. Click this one, and then you can choose any of this here. But for me, I have to select this starter block rig and adjust the position of my rig or my character here. So this is what it looks like, and you can now start editing. Okay, now go to shading, and then here you can now adjust the position of your rig. So let me face it to me. Now here what you want to do is to go to this part and then scroll up till you see this main texture. Go to open and then kindly import the rigs that you have downloaded earlier from your Roblox Studio. Once done, go back to layout, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so here you can just simply add something if you want to change or if you want to explore some editing features here. You just have to go to this part, this area right here, and try to adjust the motion, okay, visibility, also transform, location, surface, also the color and everything, texture, and yeah, feel free to change something here. So you just have to simply tap and adjust and always look for the best result. So once you have acquired or get the best result, go back here and then try to click Shift A and then look for bones. Or if you can see that after Shift A, all you have to do is to drag it and then right click till you see this bone right here so that your rig will not be easily moved. Okay, so it is stuck. Now, once you have selected that bone, we can now adjust or we can now edit the position and the movement of your rig. All you have to do is to go to this part right here and then kindly edit. For example, if you want to change the color of your accessories or even some part of your body, you just have to go to this area where you can change the colors and everything. Okay. Also, if you wanted to rotate your arm, your leg, or even your head, you just have to go to this part. I mean, tap this texture paint, and there you will see a different options, including changing the position of your arm, of your body, of of your head. So go to this part right here and try to edit something. Okay, so aside from changing the position colors, you can also see different options and different features here that can make your rig or character looks great. So as you can see here, I'm trying to change the position of my arm and also my leg. I can also do this to my head and other parts of my body. All you have to do is just simply tap that feature or tool and then point the cursor to the specific parts of your body and then try to change and move so you can get the best result or the result that you want. And then once done, this is what it looks like. And then here, what you want to do next is to simply go to shading again, and we will do some things here, but it's not that really difficult. So all you have to do is to follow. Go to shading and then scroll down to this part. Now go to object and change this to world, and then zoom this one, locate add, and then this time we have to look for texture. Okay. And then after you look for texture, what you want to do is to look for environment texture. Okay, so all you have to do is simply drag it right here, go to add again, and then this time you have to look for mapping. So mapping is under vector. So all you have to do is to click add, go to vector, and then go to mapping. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then after that, that you have added this, you are now able to connect the dots here, but we are not yet done. We need to add one more thing, and that is this what we call texture coordinate. So now it's complete. You just have to simply connect the last dot here. For example, this one. Okay, with the mapping, go to this part, point it right here, go to this part, and then connect it right here. Okay, so once you have connected this, what you want to do next? Just simply go to this site. This is what we call Polyhaven. Tap this one here. And then this is for free. No need to worry. Scroll down till you see this HDRIS. So you have to tap that one, browse, and then next is you have to select the best, I think, background for your rig or character. So let me choose this one right here. And then for the option, you have to select 8K. This one you have to select 8 HDR rather, and then click a download. Okay, wait as it is processing. Now go back to Blender, and then this time you have to go to environment texture and then import, and then click import and then tap the circle above to see the result. Now go to scene and then look for the render engine, and then you have to select cycle here. You have to locate cycle. Okay, this is what it looked like. Tap cycles. And for the viewpoint and render, change the number of this. You just have to follow what I'm going to type here. But before that, you just have to change some settings here. So you just have to follow what I'm going to select here. Okay, and then once done, like what I've mentioned earlier, if you go to viewpoint, you have to change this into 99 or 100 for the maximum, and for the render, change this to 1500. Okay, and then after that, you have to go to film and then change this to transparent. Okay, let me change the number here, go to film, change it transparent, and that's it. So that's all for what you're going to edit this part. So this is what it looks like. Now what you want to do next is simply capture the part that you wanted to download. Okay, so as you can see here, if you want to, you know, if you're okay with the render, if you're okay with the image, okay with the result, what you want to do here is just simply just type Shift A and then look for camera, and then after that select the part where you wanted to capture or you wanted to download or what image you like to download and use. So after that, you can now open and then use that to your Roblox Studio. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.